What up, YouTube? This is Michael Steinmetz here. Today we're going to do the unboxing of Doctor Who called The Claws of Axos Special Edition. This package that came back on the washing machine. So, let's start it up, shall we? Let's do it. By the way, I'm sorry for letting you know, but my Amazon account just kicks me out. But I have to get my own new Amazon account, so I have to do something quickly that I might do. Well, it's up to me. That's why my mom is about to fix my Amazon account. And here she is. Here it is. We got Doctor Who of the Claws of Axos Special Edition. There's the Axos. Wow. His face is gold, isn't he? He turns into a disgusting creature. There's a third Doctor, John Pertwee. Joe Grant right here. There's the Master. And look on the back. Story number 57. Wow, look at that picture. Isn't it amazing? It says, when a damaged spaceship contains beautiful humanoid creatures called Axos lands on Earth, the Doctor, Joe, and the units are sent to investigate. In return for their help, Axos offers a gift of axonite, which would end world venom. And all appears too good to be true. So what secret are the Axos hiding on board their ship? And why is the Doctor's old enemy, the Master, involved? Well, that was a good show. I've seen it before. Well, here we was the audio commentary with the actor Katie Menley plays Joe Grant. Richard Franklin is Captain Yates. Producer Barry Litz. Axos Stations. Making of with cast and crew. Now and then, locational reporter, narrator by Katie Menley. Directing Who interview with Michael Ferguson. That looks cool. And studio recording, early surviving Doctor Who studio recording, complete with studio center recording breaks, AVT run-ups, living with Levine, and photo gallery and PDF, and let's see, photo gallery, deleted and extended scenes, and PDF materials, the radio times listings. Alright, that's all it appears to do. Well, let's open this up and see what's happening. here we go. There's a recycled material. And here we have was two discs of Doctor Who of the Claws of Axos. Got 2 discs and 1 disc. Approximately 97 minutes, 27 minutes of extras, and approximately 153 minutes of extras. Yeah, look at this. This Axos changed into the same creature. The skulled human is better, but this Axos turns into a creature. It looks truly freaky. Wow. Oh wow, I've seen it before. Well, this is so cool. Well, I guess I'll better watch this one, but this is Michael Steinmetz, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Well, see you next time. Bye-bye.